Hi guys! In this video, you will learn how to create WooCommerce shop page with Elementor. Creating a WooCommerce shop page with Elementor involves several steps. Elementor is a popular page builder for WordPress that allows you to design and customize your WooCommerce shop page. So here's the basic guide to get you started. First, install WooCommerce and Elementor. Ensure that you have both WooCommerce and Elementor installed and activated on your WordPress website. You'll also need a compatible WordPress theme. Then create a new page. In your WordPress admin, go to Pages, then Add New. Give your page a title like Shop or Store. Then edit with Elementor. Add a section. Start by adding a new section to your page. This section will serve as the main content area for your shop page. Then inside the section, click on the plus button to add a widget. Search for the products widget, which is a part of the WooCommerce integration for Elementor. Drag and drop it into your section. Then configure the products widget. Add additional widgets and elements. Then save and preview. Set as your shop page. Then customize permalink and URLs. Also, test and adjust and optimize for SEO. And that's how to create WooCommerce shop page with Elementor. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.